Hey guys, back with some more Bazaar. Accidentally started recording a bit late. We picked our golden income. We're playing some Mac, the new character. Yeah, let's have some fun. Go for silver tier regent. Not bad. Slot that away. You can't beat Kyber Drone now with no items on Mac because he just has no HP. So we'll just go for banana ball, I think. Wouldn't mind getting over heal haste. That'd be pretty cool. And duct tape got nerfed into the ground. Well, not nerfed into the ground, but it's only when you use the item to the left of the shield 5. They changed fuel rod now to basically be a medium-sized duct tape. Where you, when you use an adjacent item, you shield. But now, banana ball is kind of, not as significant as what it used to be. Alright, see what we get.
Of my time.
Medkit, that's fine. Go for non-weapon items here. Potion Distillery is really good. We've got a regent already, so we can transform that. Go for Nightshade. Won't. We'll get the ruby as well. We've got the money for it. Maybe, do we get the candles or the Venamander? Let's go for a poison sort of thing. But I mean, we can afford the candles as well, so we'll get it anyway. Alright. Go for small and medium items here so we can transform our regent. Perfect. Heavy bottle lightning, that's pretty good. Do we kind of want the calcinator here as well so we can get our regent. Do we just sell it? Is it worth holding on to? I don't know. Let's get rid of the candles. Get the calcinator. Alright. On to the first fight. Now, is Ruby or Heavy Bottle Lightning going to be better here? Really, you're going to be better. So at least you do damage. And you'll slow an item for a second. Alright, up against a little bit of burn and some damage. Not poisoning at all, and we will get some regen. So, I think we should be okay. Because our regen is going to stack, whereas... And he's not stacking any damage as well, so I think we should be okay. Cool. Nightshade is a fun little item. You can do some cool stuff with it. Alright, day 2. We want to run the small items here. Let's see. 2 regen and 2 poison. It's pretty good. Get the Venamander. Get a quick reroll here as well. We like both of those poison items. We'll just sell the medkit here. And honestly, we'll sell the ruby as well. And we'll sell you. And we'll get both of these. Love getting some more poison items. Just having a nice uniform build. We don't have a weapon yet, but hopefully soon. I think I'm willing to take Peaceful Eye. Get a little bit of crit chance. Heal and regeneration item kind of fits in with what we're going for.
Look, it's okay to have a crush on me. I love everyone.
Reload an item, gain 2 regen for the fight. I think we'll get both of these. I think both of these could be really good. Stick that next to there. We definitely have enough poison to be the rogue scrapper. And we get regen as well. So we should be okay. Yeah, 6 regen is more than enough already to keep us up. Cool. Yeah, we do lots of poison. We just need to be able to live, really. Like, it would be nice if we put up some more regen. Junkyard Club isn't really what we're looking for, but that's fine. I mean, we kind of want to work a non-weapon item into our weapon item, sorry, into our thing. That regen is really good, and that's restorative and lifesteal. I mean, it's better than that right now. We'll sell this though. Definitely want Mothmeal. Definitely want you as well. We got some things to sell, so let's hit a quick reroll as well. We want that. Do we just sell you now? How much more poison do you give us? 1 more poison on our guys. Not that impressive, really. Honestly, let's just leave it. This will give us a guaranteed level up if we go here. So let's do this.
After all these centuries, there is still more to learn.
Probably, that's probably better. That way we have a guaranteed regen every time. Do we have a regen? Yeah, we do. Let's do this. What in the world? Why did that get burned? What just happened? Let's just try restarting and see. That's really weird. I mean, we had a regent there and it was the leftmost thing. It just killed our Nightshade, man. What in the world just happened? Ugh. I mean, that kind of sucks, right? I guess now we're like pivoting to a burn build. I guess. Let's just do that and that. What in the world? That's so stupid. What just happened? We had a cool little build going. Shark claws look really insane now. Hopefully our regen is enough to keep us up. A lot of burn. A lot of poison. Cool. Even with our new wacky build, it's enough. Do these drop a toxic one though? Surely they do, right? Nah, it doesn't, unfortunately. I mean, what would a toxic lead even do? Heal and regen. Noxus potion. I think both of them could probably go. Let's get you. Hit a quick reroll here, I think. There's our Nightshade again.
Why do my people live in forests?
Alright. We'll get rid of the venom, I think. Restorative isn't bad. Let's go for non-weapon items here. Fire potion can get sold. Rid of the chunk of gold as well. We'll hit a quick reroll here, I think. We haste load, poison, or burn. Charge this 1 second. Start of the day, get a regen. I think that's really good. Do we maybe just want to sell this calcinator? Yeah, let's sell this calcinator here. And put this in. And then we want to slot that in as well. Maybe for the emerald, because it's only giving 3 poison. Do we do enough burn for you? We level up anyway, so let's just take on the rogue scrapper. That was really odd. I mean, I'm not mad at having an early toxic calcinator, but still quite weird. Did we not get it? We forgot to buy it. Awesome. Okay, well, at least we can look for something else now, I guess.
Strange creatures prowl these streets.
Granola bar. Tell you so. Can tell you for sure that's not making its way onto the board. Alright, let's have a look over here.
Welcome to my business.
Death caps is pretty good. We'll get the sifting pan.
Sure, that was a good trade.
Death caps is pretty good as well. Just slot that on the board. Restorative bottle lightning, not too fussed about that. Upgrade a bronze tier item. Let's just upgrade the calcinator. Get some more money at the start of the day. We should have leveled up there. See if this works. Please, maybe. This is gonna suck. We should have leveled up. I want my HP for my fight, please. Okay. Guess you just don't get to level up.
And I will punish you. I will leave you alive to learn the lesson.
Retort, turbo bottle, lightning. I think we're fine here. But that's quite frustrating. Maybe we have to restart the game. Look at all that regen. Philosopher's Stone putting in work. Alright, well. I mean, I guess if we don't level up after this. Yeah, we didn't level up. Okay. Yeah, we need that level up. We're just gonna restart the game quickly. Alright, well, no level up yet. Go for a Val pack here, but we need to put a region down first.
There's a special promotion today.
Upgrade Emerald here for sure.
For free shipping.
We'll reroll here. Um, Fiery sleeping potion. Don't really care for that. Let's transform this next. Okay, now we get our level up. Do we want to upgrade a bronze tier item? Really? I'm not too fast.
Being
Go for a
an
bronze
elder
tier
is
skill.
one perspective. Youth has its own. It takes real confidence to let a kid train you.
7, 6, 5. Yep, that's fine. We want to transform that, so we'll go for small items. Poison could be really good, but we want to keep scaling this guy.
Good taste.
Regen potion. Coolant ink is pretty good here. Let's get the coolant ink. Replace the heavy thermal. What did we just sell? That was the gold. Okay. Heavy thermal can go. Haste potion's pretty good. We'll hold on to it. Hit a reload real quick. Take both of these.
For your size.
Ah, we don't have another reload. What am I doing? Alright. Do we take on Prince Baronara's? Pretty easily, I think, right? We have tons of regen. And the poison will stack up super fast as well. I think we should be okay.
Folk will not be confined.
Yeah, I think we should be okay. 64 regen. We're healing back to full basically after every time he hits us. The crits get kind of scary towards the end, but
Dynasty.
we're fine.
Knowledge or madness?
Have to press continue first. Chum. Big.
After all these centuries, there is
Chum can go.
I teach, you learn. We're a good team.
When you heal or gain regen, an item gains 3% crit chance for the fight. That's pretty good.
I'll send you to Orlin.
We gain regen all the time. And yeah, we'll go for items here.
Come on in. Let's chat.
Toxic sleeping potion. It's just not good enough. And we'll sell the fiery sleeping potion as well, because it's just going to transform it into a potion. And all we really care about at the moment is just scaling this.
So, how about this weather?
When you poison, this gains regen. Could be good, but it's just too slow. Other items are better. Care more about the fire, I think. Oh, do we? No, we care more about the obsidian for sure.
Well, howdy, hero.
Get the extract.
That's a bargain.
Get crit chance. We'll get. I have enough room now. Obsidian runic potion. Don't care. Alright. Do you. You're the quickest. Grab the feather. Reload. Probably shouldn't have reloaded though. We don't really care too much about weapon damage because we don't have any weapons. Alright, up against axe. We're gonna fall off a bit. We need to find a fun way to make our build more viable. See, we're very, very vulnerable to burn like this, I think. Does he crit much? He does crit something with the, Okay, a draw. Philosopher's Stone is going crazy. How much regen did it put up? 74. Wow. Nightshade is honestly not that great at the moment. Probably go for non-weapon items here. I mean, death caps is quite good though. Maybe we just do death caps. Yeah, let's do death caps. Ooh, wow. I mean, that's really good. When you poison, gain 2 regen. It stacks well with Nightshade. That's really good. 20 poison as well? Jeez. That has to be a bug or something. Like, it shouldn't be getting enchanted. I don't think. Right, well, let's get our money first.
Gigamart's owner is the ultimate businessman. Those carts
Upgrade our emeralds.
for a reason. Buy more.
We've got enough money. We'll hit a reroll here. It's a good region, but... Oh, when this is transformed, enchant it with toxic if able. Yeah, well... I mean, that was just really lucky then, huh? I don't see how the haste potion is going to fit in so far, honestly.
Get one free.
Definitely want to go up against the Gorgon Noble here. We can leave our inventory like this for now, though.
Who sent you? That cretin?
I mean, everything here is pretty good for us. Probably everything except for the toxic blades. And I mean, maybe the Basilic Fang. I mean, look at the poison. And look at the regen as well. 118 regen.
The mouse bites back.
With each new discovery, the formula of life is revealed.
Get a loot item here. Ammo's pretty good. Ammo's really good. Go for small and large items here. For the scaling. I mean, there's our apothecary. Do we want to get that? Toxic noxious potion. 22 poison. It's not insignificant. It's raining. Other poison items have +5 poison. That takes off so much. Yeah, we need that to stay on. That's a lot of poison. I don't know. Because we can't get it without selling anything. We want to transform regions, I think, with a toxic calcinator. I kind of... Maybe do we get rid of that? But then we can't transform all the time. I think we have to not take it. Take an upgrade for this little guy though. Don't you dare exploit me. I mean, with those reroll prices, it is pretty much exploitation. I mean, we like to scale, but can't pass up on free XP. Against preening duelist. He's gonna do a lot of damage at first. But like, we've already got 60 regen. So this wouldn't have actually done a lot then because it didn't have time to go off really. So if we go to the recap, yeah, only 23. More max ammo is pretty good. We'll put that on the Noxus potion because we might want to sub it in. We only get one region right at the start of the day. Yeah, we only get... Oh, no. Chunk of lead and a region. We need more space. Let's get rid of the sulfur.
You are a child,
Alright,
and I will
see how we go.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobody.
Interesting build. I mean, a lot of poison because of that, obviously, but we get lots of regen. And you won't get much regen.
You've got talent. You should put it toward noble.
Yeah, look at that. 180 regen. It's pretty good. I like this like slow paced poison build. It's quite nice. Alright, we'll transform this first. Obviously we need to make some room.
I would never debase my wares by
haggling. Ugh.
Fire shrinking potion, don't care for it. Let's do the chunk of lead now. Oh, but we do want that.
Shall I gift wrap for you?
With the noxious potion.
By class had
How much poison is that? How much regen is on you? 53? Yeah, we need that. Like, is it time to get rid of the emerald? Or maybe the Venomander. Yeah. Maybe Venomander can go. Quillen Ink is good every 3.5 seconds. It does that. Yeah. I think Venomander's gone, buddy. Bye-bye. He was good to us, though. Definitely go for non-weapon items here. Yeah, we just want to keep scaling this guy. Not too fussed about the XP.
Deals, not war. Use
Love both of these upgrades.
of all.
Saw both of those. Hit a quick reroll here. Cool.
Closer and closer.
Upgrade a silver or lower tier item. Do we just want to upgrade the Toxic Calcinator? Get more lead, or do we want to get a better Regent? Or Nightshade? Let's just upgrade Nightshade.
I feel like you're not being fully present with me.
Nah, let's do the Calcinator.
Comes greater perfection.
It's putting more poison on them at first anyway. This takes a while to get going. Now, do we get more regen than the Lich? We put up a ton of regen. We're not going to level up anyway. Let's give it a go.
You squander your life, so I will take it away.
How much regen do we get? 57 from that? Like, come on now. Your poison doesn't scale either. Oh yeah. Let's go. Beat the Lich. Give me the Necronomicon. You know you want to, Lich. I mean, that's pretty good though. We'll hold on to it. We just want to transform this, I think.
I'm finished with fighting. But
Hit a quick reroll just to see if we get the Obsidian Stone. We don't.
long enough to reconsider.
I think we'd like to. Yeah, we don't. We want to do this medium item. Interesting. We're not really critting.
I will uncover them all.
I think that could probably just go. Hold on to the one for now. Gold tier, burn, or freeze. Let's go for gold tier skills. More poison. I see poison and I take. Alright, so we're still vulnerable to burst. But it has to kill us pretty quickly because we get a ton of regen.
You are dust. I will remain.
Missiles, raise Carl Chlorance. Augmented weaponry. It does do a bit of damage. Isn't a whole lot of Yeah, I think we're completely fine here though. Yeah. And we just get so much regen. What we would love to see is more crit scaling. All right. And now we start it all over again. We just want to keep scaling.
Buy my weapons. And you
Goop flail. I don't think that really fits. We'll hit a quick reroll, see if we get an obsidian thing upgrade. Nope, it's fine.
Bazaar is not kind to the weaponless.
Large items, yeah, we'll go for large items, I think. Infinite potion, don't really care for it. Oh, but it's not bad. We get a lot of regen pretty quickly. But it's not as much as anything else, I don't think, right? Yeah. That's just too much regen to ignore. I mean, we could just get rid of Nightshade, though. That's the thing. I don't think Nightshade is, really doing that much. Do we just put these two in? I reckon we give it a go. Let's give it a go in the monster fight, because I honestly think it's better than or Athanor. Start of each day, get a potion. Obsidian, not good. Alright. Your weapons have damage equal to 1 times your regen. That's not bad, but it's too slow for what we want to do. Athanor is decent, but we don't have enough potions. Goop Flail. I want to do a build with this, but I don't think this is a run for it. Chili Charles for max XP or Joyful Jack. He's got some more useful items for us, I think. Let's go for Joyful Jack.
Master alchemist's masterpiece.
We'd love to see when you heal charge a poison item. We don't really heal though, we kind of just gain regen. Love to see that though. Do we put it on to you? What do we put it onto? Probably just this guy, right? Burn item. No, we'll just go for items here.
I'm a people person, and sometimes I sell.
Definitely upgrade the Philosopher's Stone. It's been huge for us. I'd really like to see a region here though. I mean, his leech is good. It's too slow, I think. I think Aludol is decent as well, but... what's the cooldown? 6 seconds? Okay, we're gonna transform this guy now, I think. What are you?
Mind glows. I see everything.
Freeze one item for 1 second. While your enemy has poison, this has multicast. I mean, that's not bad, right? I think it's probably better than those two. Because I mean, our enemy is gonna have poison all the time. Transfer. Boom. Look at that. Don't care for the shrinking potion, I don't think. Awesome. Okay. I am really liking this build so far. It's just a nice, slow poison build. Like it, we don't have to haste it to be good. Okay, here we go. Potion distillery. Lots of different things. He's got the vitality potion as well and the restorative shrinking potion. So our health is going to drop dramatically. But we do have a ton of regen. And he doesn't have enough, I don't think. Yeah, perfect. See, 800 HP, and I think our HP was like 2000 originally. That's just ridiculous, right? Yeah, 2000. Down to 800 or something. That's insane. Right. On to transforming our regions again. And I think this was pretty decent as well. Alright. Haste, slow, and cooldown items. Yes, please. I mean, sure, we'll upgrade the potion distillery. I don't think it's ever going on the board, but... Also, is that a bronze item on day 8? I didn't think that could happen. All non-weapon cooldowns are decreased by 1 second. So, I mean, maybe we can kind of get rid of Quill and Ink now, right? Because like we're getting most of our regeneration from this. Get rid of Quill and Ink. Put this in. What's the library upgrade do? Let's have a look. I think we want to get library here. Get rid of this guy. and this guy and put it in. Oh, we gotta sell something though. We'll sell the infinite potion because it's just not that good. We'll test this in our fight today. We have stuff to transform, so let's go here.
Your recipes, I have mine. We can help each other.
I'll do a quick reroll. We got loads and loads of money. Cool.
Being here just to mock my work.
Now, do we beat Dragon? Let's just go for Oasis Guardian here, I think. I think we're a little bit too slow for Dragon. We'd love to get Ouroboros statue here, or Waters of Infinity is really good here as well, I think. $340 regen, no joke, man.
Not all my subjects survive. I must distill my collection.
Don't have a fiery bottle tornado. We'll get our level up by the end of the day as well, which is really good. Transform? Anything? No? Let's go for large items then. Yeah, we'll go for large item. We'd love to see library upgrade. We got it. This is really good. Non-weapon cooldowns. Alright, we're on 4 seconds. That's on 6. Yeah, this is really good now. Alright, we do need... Well, we don't need to sell anything yet, but soon. Go for small and medium items. See if we can get any upgrades. We have to sell stuff now. Let's sell Cool and Ink. Hit a quick reroll. We got lots of money. Black Ice. Nah. Nah. We're not going to Black Ice this late, I don't think. I mean, that it could be good with Toxic Weasel Peed, but I just don't think we're the right fit for it. Radiant. What is Philosopher's Stone? Let's just put it on Philosopher's Stone, I think.
What's your favorite
I mean,
color?
the only thing we'd really want on library is shiny. I'm more than happy with that. 970 shield, wow. Alright, and we've got enough room for tomorrow for both of our regents.
Why must we do this? Death laughs at us both. I will fight you, but only so that I can study you.
A lot of burn. But we have a ton of shield. Wow. I mean, that was a really good get. Okay. Don't know if we could have gone much better, to be honest with you. Alright, now we start it again. Let's see. I think these can go now. I think we're pretty set on this build. If we see something better, then we can take it, but I don't think there's much better than this. We'll go for large items just for the transformation. Get rid of both of these. And get another region at the start of the day. I don't think that works. I mean, it could if we got the small one, but there's no point in us getting that, I don't think. Alright. We'll just go for medium items here. we're already transforming something, we'd prefer to see if we can get an upgrade. Nope, that's fine.
You might try JJ's shop. Real friendly guy.
Definitely go for Enclave Revenant here. But first, we can sell you. We love to come up against some weapon builds. All weapon cooldowns are increased by 2 seconds. I mean, come on. Every 3 seconds we shield for 1090. Ooh, Soul Ring. Maybe Soul Ring just replaces this. Yeah, maybe Soul Ring just replaces the Emerald. Interesting. I think our Ouroboros statue is better, right? 10 regen, 19, 34. I think our issue is regen because we're not getting the majority of it from here anyway. So let's give you up. Heal and regen skills is probably the direction we want to go for. We're doing a lot of it. First 8 times you use a potion, gain 20 regen. 2 regen. First time you use a large item, we're going to re-roll here. First time you fall below half health, gain 2 times your regen for the fight. That's pretty good. Let's see. I mean, we'll go for weapons. We don't really... Or do we want to, like, up our crit chance a slight amount? May as well. Give me crit chance. All 5 blue. Ah, oh, darn it. Maybe we go here just so we can transform it. Yeah, we'll go for medium and large. Definitely get an upgrade for that. Get a quick reroll. I mean, they're both good regents.
Where's Midsworth? Oh, did he see me close a deal?
Alright. Up against real Mojo Dojo. He has a weapons build. He has a weapons build. No weapons build. Ooh, I mean, we got regen. We got regen. And he doesn't. So I think we got this. What was I even worried about? 1,800. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a really... I don't know. It doesn't feel like there's an overwhelming amount of like synergies or anything. Just feels like a solid build. Oh, what's this? Our inventory is glitched. Back to the main menu. And I mean, what we really want to come up against is weapon builds. We'll transform that first.
Sale, no sale.
Give ourselves some money.
It's right for you.
I mean, that'd be nice. It would have been nice to get this way before we got the Calcinator, right? Double poison on that would have been really good. But yeah, I don't think we really care for any of these. Hit a quick reroll. Like to get an upgrade for one of these, maybe. Not going to happen. We'll get the Nightshade, just for the event, in case we get the Transformer medium. I think we just want to keep transforming. We're gonna get a level up today anyway.
You can't afford it. Tell everyone you got it here.
Toxic is a bit better than Obsidian for us.
Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
Do we want to go for Master Alchemist or Lord of the Wastes? Lord of the Wastes is just way more XP, I think. Alright, well, we got kicked. Let's try again. My last run that I tried to record kicked me. I tried to get back in, restarted the game. And then it, just didn't let me. Alright. We'll just go Lord of the Wastes here, I think. Just for the XP.
The dunes are waves on a sea of gold.
Don't think we really care for any of the items or even the skill.
The Outlander way is truth. Someday you will see.
You know what? Let's take it. Don't have much good chance.
Forward on my path.
We'll get a gold tier regent. Let's get rid of Nightshade. Would you look at that? Enchant an item with heal effects. I don't know. What are we even... What are we even enchanting with heal? Just emerald? Do we even want it? I prefer to just go to the shop, honestly.
Look, it's okay to have a crush on me. I love everyone.
There's our upgrade to the Ouroboros statue.
Stuff on you. Don't make it weird.
Don't care for the toxic runic potion. Get a quick reroll. And restorative refract is pretty interesting. But it's not for us. I think skill upgrades is pretty good here for us. Don't really care too much for large items. We don't have anything to transform. Definitely take Petrifying Gaze here. More freeze for us is super valuable just because we have so much regen going. We'll sell these death caps as well just so we get all of our regents tomorrow. This guy's on the same track as us. On for a turn win. We're up against the ghost. I guess we gotta go for someone tough on the last day, huh? They have a weapons build. They have a weapons build. I mean, it is a weapon. Isn't it supposed to be increased by 2 seconds? Was it at 1 point? Oh my goodness. Do we survive long enough? Oh my gosh. We survived long enough. What a crazy win. Well, this makes for a pretty cool video. First perfect win on Mak.
In pursuit of perfection. Today, for a moment, I have found it.
Wow, cool voice line as well for the win. I mean, for me, honestly, my MVP is Shielded Philosopher's Stone. I mean, look at that thing go. 127 regen, shield for 1,700, 1,274. Then yeah, we just got some interesting tech with this one, where it enchanted it. But yeah, overall just a really cool run with some decent skills. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Mak, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.